folks. You better believe it.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We are here at Oyabun, one of my favorite, me and my wife's favorite seafood restaurant. And you can see these are side dishes that came about. It's kimchi, the infamous kimchi, as one of the banchan. We got pickled peppers, sauteed peppers.
Like the dry fish,
Like
mini fish.
some dried mini fish. And we got
And the carrots.
pickled jalapenos and carrots. These are the 3 side dishes that came with the
Also, miso soup.
and the miso soup.
You can choose cold water or the hot tea, which is green tea.
Yes.
With the Korean chili paste and soy sauce together.
Most importantly, don't forget to wash your hands before and after all meals. You better believe it.
This is called the dried fish in Korean.
Dried anchovies.
멸치. We call the 멸치, dried fish. And this is dried shrimp. We call the 간새우. And it's called 고추. You know why Korean eat this a lot? Dried fish. Because we didn't really have a lot of things to eat a long time ago. Before that, I ate this for calcium contents. Thank you.
Hi, folks. This is a 5-piece sashimi.
Sashimi.
Out of the one of the 6 dishes. This is a salad. This is a grilled eel with onions.
Yeah, this is delicious.
My favorite. This is 5-piece sushi.
4 pieces.
Or 4 pieces of sushi with ginger and wasabi. And this right here, my friend, is one of my also other favorite. It's umi bibimbap with egg rolls. And this is the tempura. As our 6th dish here, and this completes the whole set here.
Okay, lunch set.
Yeah, enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. This is abalone porridge.
Yes. Sambokju.
Tambukju.
In Korean, we call it sambokju.
Enjoy.